Working with Matt and Brimstone is amazing. The guys are very, very professional. Now, one thing I love about Matt is that he walks you through the process. You tell him your idea, what you're looking for. He's not selling the product to you, but he's giving you the options that you could select from, and then you make the best decision that you think is suitable for you. So he helps you through the process. We were going back and forth about certain stuff, and I was finding it difficult to make certain decisions, but Matt was very patient, was not pushy, and I think that's the beautiful thing about it. And when the whole system was installed, now he walked into the apartment, I showed him the pipework, and I said, I'm not even seeing it, because he mentioned it to me to say you won't even notice. So it's been wonderful working with him, and I would recommend him again and again and again.